Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Jermaine Cobbins here, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to set up your Facebook profile for network marketing. All right, so if this is your first time seeing any of my videos, my name is Jermaine Cobbins. I go by the name J Cobb, and my goal is to help network marketers and home business entrepreneurs to build their brand and business using social media. Okay, so before we dive into the content, I need you guys to do me a favor. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Each and every week I try to drop some type of training video for you guys to help you to expand and grow your business. Also, each and every video I always link a free resource, and I want you guys to stick around to the end of this video because I have something really dope for you guys. Okay, as you can see right now, this is my personal Facebook profile, and I'm also going to share with you guys my fan page, so both of those links will be in the description below. All right, so let's dive into it. Here's the deal. We're talking about Facebook, all right? And I know most of you guys are using Facebook to promote your business, promote your products, and you may be getting crickets, all right? So the thing is this. Understand, guys, that social media or Facebook is basically a place to socialize, it's a place to connect, and keep up with friends and family and see what's going on around the world, right? It's not a place to really share your product and services. Yet you still can make money from Facebook. You still can recruit from Facebook. And I have recruited people from Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Snapchat, right? So the thing is, guys, is just basically knowing how to set your profile up where it does the heavy lifting. Okay, so that's what I want to do in this video. All right, now, just like right now, you're watching a video, and most of you guys are familiar with Facebook Live, and yet still you have no videos on your wall. Even if you are afraid of the camera, I recommend that you have video, because video is the fastest way to build that trust, right? And build, that authoritative figure in your niche, right? Whatever you're trying to promote or sell, anything like that. But I want to share with you guys basically how to do it where you're not turning people away, okay? So right here is my personal Facebook profile. And yes, I do promote my business and things like that from my personal profile. And the thing is, yes, I have gotten sales. I do attract leads. I'm getting leads every day, whether it's leads in my messenger or leads through my autoresponder. All right. So here's the deal. What I teach my coaching clients is, first of all, start doing video. All right. Start doing video, guys, because you're missing out on like 80% of your potential sales and people that you can recruit by not doing video. All right. But you don't want to overdo it, all right? Especially when you're talking about product or services all the time. So what I found that works really well is every 3 to no more than 4 posts, there should be a video, okay? Why is this? You know how you go out and let's say you're doing your prospecting and you're sending out friend requests. Well, a lot of times before people accept you, they go to your profile and they kind of screen you. And if they go to your profile and the only thing they see is what company you're in, what products you're selling, things like that, then instantly they're going to turn away. They're not going to accept your request because they're going to say look, I don't want anybody pitching me, or I know what this person wants. Okay, so the first thing you don't want to do, you don't want to have your company name or any type of products, anything like in your profile picture or anything like that. All right, in which I'll go a little bit in depth into this at the end of this video. But the first thing, guys, you just don't want to have anything basically in the first fold that says, okay, this person is an XYZ company and they're promoting XYZ products, and people are not going to want to connect with you. So you want to attract people to you. Okay, so as you can see, guys, basically my name, my picture is a picture of me. It kind of shows what I do. Really simple. Link them to my fan page. Not a company replicated website, but like I stated, every 3 to no more than 4 posts, there should be a video. All right, so we're just looking at here. All right, so here's 1, 2. All right, video. Okay, so that's 2 posts and then a video. As we continue, 1, 2, video. Right, video. 1, 2, 3, 4, video, right? So every 3 to 4 posts, there is a video. of me, correct? This helps with my engagement. 1, 2, 3, video, right? This helps with my engagement. This helps with people seeing me as that authoritative figure, and it just attracts more people to me, have people reaching out to me. And the thing is this, guys, like, you need your profile set up. And I understand we talk about quotes and doing a lot of things, but understand that those things are not set up in a way where you have your actual profile leveraged, right? And the thing is, your Facebook profile works while you have a full-time job, while you're sleeping, and you want to have things set up where people can still connect and reach out to you even while you're sleeping. But it's rare when people reach out to you from a quote, right? It's rare when they reach out to you when you don't have any type of videos. And you're not going to get anybody to reach out to you if you're always promoting your product or your services. So like I stated earlier in this video, guys, I have something for you guys in the description below, guys. If you want to learn basically how to set up your Facebook Lives, I'm talking about setting it up where you have titles that attract people. If you want to set yourself up to never run out of content, and you want to know how to structure your Facebook Live where every Facebook Live is now set up to attract people to you or put you in profits, there will be a link below, guys, to Rich Entrepreneurs Marketing Pro. Be sure to check that out. All right, it may be a fit for you, and if not, I also have a link to the 7 social media no-nos, and basically it's 7 things, seven of the top things that I see a lot of beginner marketers, or even marketers that have been around and not really getting results, that they're doing in their business on their profile that's hindering their results. So either way it goes, either one of those links is a fit for you. All right, so be sure to drop your comments below, guys. And if this video has helped you out, be sure to share it out, and I will see you guys on the next video. It's your boy Jay Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you. Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more tips and trainings just like this, head over to JermaineCobbins.com. Don't forget to download your free resource in the description. Also, leave a comment. I would love to hear your feedback. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe.